हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल इंस्पायर क्लासेस नांदेड़। मैं सैयद आमिर। आज से हम एक नई वीडियो लेक्चर सीरीज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं सब्जेक्ट बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर, जिसमें एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चन होंगे जिसका सॉल्यूशन विद एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा। सो देखते हैं पहला क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट रिटन बाय डैश। ऑप्शन ए पीटर एफ ड्रूकर, ऑप्शन बी टेरी, ऑप्शन सी लुइस एलन, ऑप्शन डी हेनरी फेयोल। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए पीटर एफ ड्रूकर। Solution: the practice of management is written by Peter F. Drucker. Peter Drucker was one of the most widely known and influential thinker on management, whose work continues to be used by managers worldwide. Question number 2. Management is what is a manager does. Option A Peter F. Drucker, option B Terry, option C Lewis Allen, option D Henry Fayol. The correct answer is option C Lewis Allen. Solution: Management is what a manager does was written by Lewis Allen. Lewis Alexander Allen is an American management consultant and management author known from his early work on management and organization. Question number 3. The first man who advocated the view that the management should and can be taught is. Option A Harold Kuntz, option B Terry, option C Lewis Allen, option D Henry Fayol. The correct answer is option D Henry Fayol. Solution: the first man who advocated the view that the management should and can be taught is Henry Fayol. Thanks to scientists like Henry Fayol, the first foundation were laid for modern scientist management. These first concepts, also called principles of management, are the underlying factors for successful management. Question number 4. The first woman authority in management is. Option A Mary Parkett, option B Lillian Gilbert, option C Whitehead, option D Elton Mayo. The correct answer is option B Lillian Gilbert. The first woman authority in management is Lillian Gilbert. Lillian Gilbert was one of the founder of modern industrial management. She brought psychology to the study of management in the early 20th century and then brought them both to the forefront of the business world. She broke new ground with her book The Psychology of Management, which concerned the health of the industrial workers. Question number 5. To manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to compound, to coordinate and to control. This definition was given by dash. Option A Peter F. Drucker, option B Henry Fay, option C Lewis Allen, option D Terry. The correct answer is option B Henry Fay. Solution: to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to compound, to coordinate and to control. This definition was given by Henry Fay. To foresee and plan means examining the future and drawing up the plan of action. To organize means building up the dual structure, material and human, of the undertaking. To command means binding together, unifying and harmonizing all the activity and efforts. To control means seeing that all. Question number 6. Luther Gulick classifies the function of management as. Option A POSDCORA, option B POSTCARD, option C POSDCORB, option D POSDORBC. The correct answer is option C POSDCORB. Solution: POSDCORB is an acronym which means planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting and budgeting, which was first coined in a paper on administrative management that was written for the Brown Law Committee by Luther Gulick and Lyndall Urwick. Question number 7. Management is the art of getting things done through and with an informally organized dash. Option A, Harold Kuntz. Option B, Terry. Option C, Lewis Allen. Option D, Henry Fayol. The correct answer is option A, Harold Kuntz. Solution. Management is the art of getting things done through and with an informally organized Harold Kuntz. Harold Kuntz was an American organizational theorist, professor of business management at the University of California, Los Angeles, and a consultant for many of America's largest business organizations. Question number 8. The era of scientific management is option A, 1880 to 1930, option B, 1880 to 1931, option C, 1880 to 1932, option D, 1880 to 1933. The correct answer is option A, 1880 to 1930. Solution. The era of scientific management is 1880 to 1930. The classical school of management thought and thinkers emerged from 1889 to 1930. It was the result of unprecedented growth during the Industrial Revolution. Large and complex organization created the organizational complexities and problems of operational efficiency. Question number 9. Management is the art and science of decision making and leadership dash. Option A, Harold Kuntz. Option B, Donald J. Clough. Option C, Lewis Allen. Option D, Terry. The correct answer is option B, Donald J. Clough. Solution. Management is the art and science of decision making and leadership. Donald J. Clough, the author, views management as an art and science of decision making. The quality of decision determines the performance of a manager. He has also to provide leadership to subordinates for motivating them to undertake their work. Question number 10. The most popular management think of modern times is option A, Mary Parkett. Option B, Lillian Gilbert. Option C, Peter Drucker. Option D, Elton Mayo. The correct answer is option A, Mary Parkett. Solution. The most popular management think of modern times is Mary Parkett. Thank you.